Huh, I didn't notice that before. Well, that's gonna drive me nuts. Doesn't anything work in this truck? Seriously? Ah! So your interior is looking pretty sad, from your carpet to your seat handles, even your little lock knobs, all of which you can get at 1aauto.com. First thing we want to talk about is carpet. Now, it may seem intimidating, but overall it's not that bad. You want to start by disconnecting the battery because there is electrical components underneath the carpet and potentially airbags in the seats, which need to be disabled before you disconnect them. For the most part, on all vehicles, removing the seats is actually pretty easy. There's only 4 bolts or nuts holding them down. Remove those and disconnect the connectors and they come right out. With the seats out, you may have a center console you need to remove and then other little trim pieces, and then you're at the carpet and it lifts right out. You can put the new carpet down, trim some of the holes that need to be accessed, and put all the interior back in. And there you go, you have nice new carpet. Now let's talk about handles. They're made of plastic. Over time they're going to break down and they can crack and not function properly. They're easy to replace. Some just have a clip like this one and some just screw in. Even this center console lid, maybe you just need the latch mechanism or the whole lid itself. If it's torn or ripped, or maybe you just want an upgrade, then you can get the whole thing just like that. Every vehicle's a little bit different. You take some trim off, then you can access the screws. Take the screws out, the cover comes off, put the new one on, screw it down, put the trim over, and you're good to go. Even the radio trim, you know, maybe it's looking pretty dull or it's cracked or something where you want to upgrade, or you can even change up the color. Most of this trim just pops up with clips. It's just clips on the back side. There we go. Now we got a fresh new look. Even these little doors over the auxiliary outlet, those can be replaced. Just grab a tool that looks like this and slide that in. This piece slides out. Comes out like that. Disconnect the connector. And this center piece slides out. Slide the new one on. Connect the connector. And just line it up. And it slides right in place. Looks great. Even simple components such as covers, switches, or even these lock knobs. And if that wasn't easy enough, you can always get some floor mats to cover up that carpet that's ripping, or you can get some seat covers to cover up those rips and stained seats, and that's gonna make your car look and feel great. And you can get all those components at 1aauto.com. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. From your carpet, your handles, and even your, it's gonna make your car look and feel a little bit better. That's gonna cover that up and make it feel like a new car, feel like a brand new car.